Welcome to the GWFM Learning platform. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to sign in and access your courses. To begin, click on the Sign In button available on the homepage. Next, enter your registered email address and password in the required fields. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button. That's it! You're now successfully signed in and ready to explore your learning dashboard. From here, you can access your enrolled courses, track your progress, and start learning right away. Now that you're successfully logged in, let's explore how to access your courses. From the homepage, navigate to your dashboard. This is your central space where you can manage all your learning activities. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Enrolled Courses. Here, you'll find a complete overview of your learning journey. You'll notice different tabs available: Enrolled Courses, Active Courses, and Completed Courses. The Enrolled Courses tab shows all the courses you've signed up for. The Active Courses tab displays the courses you're currently progressing through. And the Completed Courses tab includes all the courses you've successfully finished. Take a moment to explore each tab and understand your course status. To continue learning, simply select any course of your choice. Once you click on a course, you'll be able to view its modules. These modules are structured step by step to guide your learning experience. You can now start or continue your course, track your progress, and move through each module at your own pace. And that's how you access and navigate your courses on the GWFM Learning platform. To download your certificate, first make sure you have completed all the modules in your course. You'll also need to complete any required quizzes to meet the course requirements. Once everything is successfully finished, your course will be marked as complete. Now, go to your dashboard and navigate to the Completed tab. Here, you'll find a list of all the courses you've completed. Select the course for which you'd like to download the certificate. Then, click on the Download Certificate option. Your certificate will be generated instantly. Simply save the file to your device so you can access or share it anytime. If you need any help at any stage, feel free to reach out to the GWFM team for assistance.